10 home mortgage mistakes that can cost you badly. Let's go. Number 1 is not understanding the types of mortgages that are available. So it's not like there's just one size fits all, right? There's tons of mortgages that you can get out there. So the best thing that you should do before you start looking for a home, dial in this mortgage, figure out which one makes more sense for you. Number 2 is not shopping around for the best mortgage rate that you could get. So this is as simple as it can get, right? You could be going online and comparing the rates. You could be going to different offices if you really wanted to and talking to people in-house and get rates. And then from there, you just regroup and figure out which one makes more sense for you. Number 3 is applying for a mortgage without even knowing your credit score. So credit scores are super essential, especially when it comes to getting a loan. Nonetheless, a loan this size. So the biggest thing you should really be doing is understanding where your score is, maybe talking to a lender before you apply, see what number he says you should be at, and then you go from there. Number 4 is making a large down payment. So sometimes this does not mean that that's gonna be the best bet for you. All right, so always talk to the lender first. Maybe they can get you into a different loan with a lower percentage down. Some people try to avoid the whole PMI, right? Private mortgage insurance. But you always wanna focus on the payment, not so much the loan. So always talk to the lender, dial that stuff in first, and you're all set. And number 5 is not being prepared for the mortgage application process. So sometimes people think it's gonna be quick and easy, fill out a couple things, you're all set. It is not as easy as it sounds. You're gonna need a lot of documents, tax returns, pay stubs, all that good stuff. So try to get all that stuff kind of ahead of time. It'll make you way more prepared and it'll be way less stressful. Number 6 is failing to disclose all your assets and liabilities. So before you go and do the whole mortgage application, make sure you know everything that you have, right? Your assets. What's your savings account looking like? What's your checking account looking like? Do you have any assets? Do you have a 401k? Do you have stock? All these things you want to put way up front so then nothing comes up, makes a hiccup, and messes something up. Number 7 is not understanding the terms of your mortgage. So same thing, before you're signing all these papers with your lender, make sure you understand what you are signing, because there's so many things involved in that, right? Make sure you know your interest rates, all the terms and conditions, everything in there, because that's gonna make you feel way more peace of mind and be able to give you more clarity on what you're really doing. Number 8 is failing to plan a budget for home maintenance costs. So things are always gonna come up when you own a home, right? You're gonna have some repairs that you